been trying to get somebody to cut the foam for me because the last time we did it, somebody said, oh, use a bread knife. A bread knife works good. No, it don't. A bread knife does not work good. It didn't give me a straight line. It was terrible. So, went out, Harbor Freight, got a jigsaw, orbital jigsaw, and did about 8 inches, which is, well, no, I didn't do 8. I did 7.5. I probably could have did, and also on the other side is right at the edge. So, at this point, you see the other one. The other one is crooked. I have to figure out how to fix that. I could go ahead and glue this down where it's at because it's good. Or what I could do is take it back over to the house and try to do, just take a little bit off, maybe an inch off, and get that to be a perfect fit. I might do that. The only issue is there's no power out here to plug up the saw. So I would have to go back and forth. But I think like an inch off would really make me happy because it'll be a perfect fit. It's not on that lip